Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Pak Isosel Nugroho. So in this video, I will give you a tutorial how to build a website from zero using WordPress web builder. And in this video, I will give you a tutorial to how to make a subdomain using your main website. And without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay guys, first the first thing you must do if you want to make a subdomain is you must to have a main website using an original hosting. Like this, FileSocial.myID, I using the hosting from ID Cloud Host, and uh, this is my main website or personal website, but this website using original hosting from ID Cloud Host. You can you can you can make a main website too using another hosting like Niaga Hoster and another like that. After you have the main website, you can log in to cPanel of your website. This is the cPanel of my filesocial.myid website. And after you log in, this cPanel have a tools for your website like email, jet backup, and another. So in this page, you can scroll below until you find a scripts columns. So in here, I also find the scripts column, and there is many things about web builder manage. But in this part, I will use WordPress web builder. So you can just click the logo, and the logo will take you to the Subdomain page and to the WordPress installer. So you can install the WordPress, and the WordPress will take your data for your website. So like this in the software setup, this is HTTP. This is a URL installation. So this is was normal. Don't change it. And next, this is your main website. If you have a website much, if you have a website much than one, you can choose it. But I only have one main website, that is FileSocial.myID, so I will use it. And this is a URL preview for our website. So this is name of your subdomain. So by the way, I will make a college site. So maybe I will name it what, SB, maybe SB University. SB University. Okay, and then this is in the right side of software setup, that is a WordPress version that you want. I want to choose the latest version of the WordPress, that is 6.2. Okay. Okay, next, in the site setting, you must to setting your site name. I will write same like in here, SB University. And then in the site description, maybe I will write some slogan. Generation for the future. This is not important. And in the right side, that is admin account columns. That very important. because without it you can log in into your site. Because this is a tutorial, I will give it name to tutor test, and I will give pass that is 1 until 5. Okay, this is my admin email, and we can choose the language. I will choose English. And in plugins, original plugins from Wordpress, you can choose in here, but I will choose backup beyond here, because we will use another plugin from the community of WordPress. Next, this is not important, and this is original theme from WordPress you can choose. Exactly, we will change the theme when we build the website, but from now we will choose a themes, maybe just the finance, but we after we install WordPress and enter the WordPress dashboard, we will change the themes. Okay, everything is done, and for the last, click the install buttons. And for the information, this process will take time. What? This is error. What the error? Okay guys, I will back when the WordPress was installed. Okay guys, the WordPress installer was installed, and the problem before is because any site use SB University name, so I changed my site name to Back9 University. That's not a big problem, and we will review our new website. So this is the website if you want to see, and this is the website if you want to edit. First, I will see the website. In this website I use the original themes from the WordPress. So this is our website, but next we will change the themes, because we will make a nice college theme. Okay, and then in the subtitles page we are all done, so we can delete the tab. And for editing, you must, if you want to editing this your website, you must to have two tabs. One for see the process, and the one is for editing the website. And for editing, you must to write in here, in right setting of slash of the Back9 University, you can write wp admin and then enter. Okay guys, so I'm in the login panel. So first you must log in with admin account before. So the username of the admin is the tutor test, and the password is 1 until 5. Okay, remember me, don't forget. Nope. Okay, login. Okay, still waiting. Okay guys, so we are in the WordPress 6.2 dashboard. So in this dashboard section is like information of your website, like site status, WordPress event, activity, or the updates of the WordPress, like that. Or you can see updates or updates for plugins and WordPress in here. And then next to pause. This is in the pause. You can pause some things, maybe your your blog or another like that. So you can add a pause. Next in the media. So if you want to build a website, you very must to insert an image or a music for the interesting of your site. Next to the page section. This is this is the page. So uh, any people can change the page to see what the contents of the page. Like in here, in the original of WordPress, we have 7 page. Exactly, it becomes the themes I choose. If you choose another themes, it's only 2 page. That is privacy policy and sample page. And in this finance themes, we have 7 page. So that's okay because we will change the page. Okay, next to the comments section. I don't know much about this section because maybe my site is very quiet. So there is no comment in my website. Very sad. Next to the appearance. So in appearance, you can setting what people see in your site, like themes, or you can customize your you can customize your themes like this. Okay, back. So this is if you want to customize your themes, and this is your widget. And we will if we build a site using WordPress, we will use much of widgets, and this is menus and theme file editor. Next to plugins. So plugins is one of important things if you want to build a website in WordPress. So this is our original plugins from the WordPress. This is that I choose. So for the next, I will give you a popular plugins to build a website from zero. Okay, so waiting for the next part of this video. And then the user. This is the user that edit this site. So this is my account, that is tutor test, and you can add new user for help you build a website. Next tool, I don't know much this section, like comment section. I know I do not know the reason. Next, the setting is this is the setting of your site, like site title, tagline, and this is WordPress address or URL. So maybe I will change it because it's see that's word. Okay, backline university. Okay. So search if you want to your setting will save it. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video and keep waiting for the next part of this video. And for the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you in the next part.